Why does your scanner show the P2226 engine code? What does it mean? P2226 is a diagnostic trouble code for the barometric pressure sensor A circuit. This engine code indicates that the vehicle's PCM monitors this sensor, which measures ambient air pressure and sets the code if it detects an abnormal voltage reading or inconsistency. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty barometric BAP sensor, electrical connector problems, wiring issues, internal short, PCM malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mazda and Mercedes-Benz, among others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.